So we're going to jump over to the amazing Sandra Harry, who's going to give you our co-founder and co-CEO. She's going to give you a little walkthrough on how the platform works and how to use it. You ready, Sandra?
Well, hello, everybody. And wasn't that great information? Tim does such a great job explaining the great discovery. So, all you new people, we'll have questions at the end. So, save those, but we'd be happy to answer those. So, I'm going to just do a little walkthrough on some basic, really important things on your TGD website. If you're already a member, or if you're thinking about being a member, these are some of the things that you'll want to do as you come on board and as you engage with the great discovery. So first, I'm right on a browser. I'm just on Google. So I'm going to go to the great discovery, oh, discovery.com/, and I'm going to go demo two. Now, what is demo two? I'm signed up for the great discovery. I have an account, and therefore I have what we call a replicated website. And my username for my website is called demo2. So when I put that in my URL, it's going to bring up my replicated website. Now, why is that so important? It's important because when you're sharing and you're building that community that Tim was just showing, every one of those little dots that went underneath on that last slide, this is how those dots are going to get coded to you, because someone's going to come to your replicated website and they're going to sign up, and then they're going to be coded to you and they're going to become one of those little dots. Okay. That's how you build that community. So your affiliate username, I'm demo2 right here. That means I'm on my website. When I'm sharing anything on this website and someone signs up, they're going to be coded to me directly. You have to do nothing else. You'll also note that I know I'm on my replicated website because my name is right here. Okay. That is my name, my phone number, my email. So that's what people will be given when they're signed up under me. So first thing, Tim talked about all these great enrollment programs, right? Well, how do we get to those on the website? Enroll, join now, right here. Now, you'll notice I am not logged in, okay? I'm going to show you some stuff logged in and not logged in, because you can do it both ways. But please be very careful and be on your replicated site, whether you're logged in or not. You want to be on that site when you're sharing stuff so those people are coded to you. So if you want to send someone, hey, we've got 3 different ways you can join. As Tim said, you can join as a learner, and that's just a free account. You don't even need a credit card. It's very, very simple. That's the sign up right there. Few fields and you're done, right? I can click that way. If you want to be a creator, Tim was just talking about the 2 creator plans that we have. And if you want to get into a channel and the Genius Club and all that, you've got all the options there. Purchase here, you're going to go to the shopping cart, and that's where you're going to put that Spring Fling code in. All right. So let's go back and say you just want to go and be an affiliate. Okay. And there's our affiliate option. And I'll give you a little preview. There is some new affiliate packages coming out, guys. It's very exciting. And I'll give a little shout out. Affiliates will now be able to have channels. So that is coming. We're hoping to have that out this week. We'll keep you posted. So say I want to share this offer, and I want to go out on Facebook and I want to share it with a group of people on Facebook. Or maybe I just want to post it on Facebook and say, hey guys, look at this, is great. I can go here. Let's close my little thing. I can go here, and all I did was click on Facebook. This is called our share bar. I can share it on Facebook, X, Pinterest, any of these. I can email it directly from here, and I can just copy the link, throw it in a text or an email, and they click on it, and they're going to open up right to this page. But look at this. It's creating that Facebook post for me. All I got to do is type a little message, click share. When they click on that, they come right back to where? They come right back to this page where they can purchase now. So we've got everything all set for you. It's all shareable. So that's why it's so important when we talk about being on your replicated website when you're doing that sharing. Another simple thing I can do, see the little link? It's all that's the share link, right? Grab the link. I can just paste that in a URL, and guess what? It's going to take me right to that page. Every page on our website is coded that way, guys. We're trying to make it as simple and as easy as we can for you guys so that you can build that community and start earning those overrides. It's very exciting. All right. So the Great Discovery website is into 3 pieces. We have 4 learners, which is where people are going to be coming in to learn, right? Gain knowledge. We have 4 affiliates. So this is everything. If you want to know about being an affiliate, this web page shows you everything. And then if you want to be a creator, this creator page shows you everything about being a creator and what that offers and everything that you get. Okay, I'm going to go back home real quick. I can click on that Great Discovery logo and I'm back home. Now, we've got these rotators, all right? And if you come across here, there's a lot of great information. Learning on the Great Discovery. This is how to be a learner, exploring the marketplace. This is the discovery box that Tim was talking about. This is our little duplex translation tool. You can click on Explore the Discovery Box and learn more about that. You can register for a summit, engage in our summits. You can find out about the affiliate program. It'll take you to that page. Becoming a creator again can get you there. So you can get places in a couple different ways. The AI Genius Club, we can explore the AI Genius Club. And that takes me straight to that Genius Club page. If you want to share that with someone, guess what you can do? Go to Facebook, click on Facebook. Guess what? It's going to create that page for you, again, sharing the Genius Club page on your website. So if they come in and sign up, they're going to be coded to you. All right. So very, very simple, very easy. You can use any of the share bars on any of the pages. All right. So let's go back home for a second. So let's go look at the marketplace. What is the Great Discovery all about? It's about knowledge, empowering humanity with knowledge. So how do we do that? Well, there's a couple ways. I can come up here if I know a course that I want to go look for, or a channel. We have channels too. I can type it in right here. Say I want to look up something that Alex Hitt has done. Look at all the stuff Alex Hitt has on the platform. And I can click on it and it will take me directly there. Channels, he even has a channel. So this is a great way to search. Let's go and look at social media. So it's going to take me right to this course, right in here. Now, if I want to click here to access it, I can. I do have to have an account, all right? And if you don't have an account and you click here to access, and it'll have you can create a free little account right on the fly, right there. Or if you have an account on the Great Discovery, you're going to log in and click access that, and it'll put it right into your account because this is a free course, right? Now, again, if I want to share this on Facebook, what do I do? What do I do? Click on the Facebook app. I can click on X. I can click on any of these, and it will make the post just like what Facebook does. And it will take someone right to this page, and they can sign up right for this course. So think about this. This is a free course. We have tons of free courses on our platform, right? This is a great thing to do. This is the marketplace. I can go here and click free. I can look at all the free courses, and then I can come over here and I can look at all of the categories. Say I want to see all free courses in branding. There we go. Apply. These are free courses all in the branding category. So now why is that important? What if you want to share? You've got somebody who needs information on branding. They're trying to figure out or learn branding. Go send them a free course. Get them into your network, right? There's some great branding premium and academy level courses on the website. Say, hey, here's a taste, here's something free. See if you like it. We've got more on the platform. Share it out through your social media. Okay. Also, another great tip, guys, share for birthdays. Go out and share through social media, even email, whatever, somebody on their birthday, a free course of an interest that they may have. Okay. So it's a great way to do this kind of stuff. So let's go back and let's search a little more. I can also search by creators. I can type in the name, or I can go down and look. Look at all the creators we've got on the platform now. It's absolutely amazing. Again, I can hit Alex Hitt and I can say apply. And now what's it going to do? Because I've got branding in there. Alex, you don't have any branding courses up. Get busy. So I said all and Alex Hitt, and guess what? It brought up all of Alex Hitt's courses. You can see that he's got Genius Club courses, free courses, academy level courses. And what are those? Those are our different course types. We have free, which are free to everyone. We have Genius Club courses, which if you're a member of the Genius Club, then you get those for free also. And then we have premium, which are paid courses, and academy, which are paid courses. Okay, so the 4 different types. So as Tim talked about the Genius Club, it's like our Amazon Prime. You don't just get AI tools, you get free courses, you get discounts, you get all kinds of stuff when you join in that AI Genius Club. It's a great value, you guys, really a great value. Also on sale. My gosh, who doesn't love a sale, right? Especially when it's shoes. Alex doesn't have anything on sale. You see what I did? I hit on sale and I still had Alex. So I'm going to take Alex off and then I'm going to see everything that's on sale. Look at these. Some of these have got some pretty, oh my goodness, look at this one. A branding discovery. That is, looks like it's about half off. This one is a great deal. So you guys might want to go through and look at some of the deals going on right now. We've got some really great deals going on. So that is kind of how to navigate the website, search it, find courses, find creators, all that great stuff. Share though. The big thing to do is share, 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 right? Build.
Sandra, one thing I was noticing, one of the superpower tools that we have is geolocation. So when someone's in another country, they're automatically seeing it priced in their for their economy, and also all the content, all the way through the videos, the tools, everything is available in their language. One of my favorite sharing tactics, if, for example, I'm doing some work over in Asia right now, I'll go up, pre-select a page in another language and share it in that language, and they're automatic selected to their country. They're automatically seeing that and all the content, all the course in their language. It's really cool.
Absolutely, Tim, you're exactly right. So this is because I'm in the United States, mine defaults to the US. But like Tim said, if I was in the Philippines, this would say the Philippines. I don't even have to go select it. It's all geolocated. And once I do that and say we go into, let's go to the Philippines, okay? Sorry. It is Saturday. Okay, now everything is now, we're in the Philippines and everything is in their language. So what Tim is saying, if I go and share this now, guess what's going to happen? It's going to go ahead and open up in that language for them. Okay, so they don't even have to convert it. So Tim, thank you for bringing that up. That was a great one to bring up. All right, let's do a couple things. I'm going to run out of time, but I am going to go and log in here really quick because there's a couple things I want to show you guys. Some new things on the platform. All right, so let's log in. All right, and let me get my creator, my account that I want to show you guys. And some of the new things that we've just launched for our creators are pretty powerful. You guys know, now this is our new navigation pane. So you can come here and you can see I'm in the Genius Club. I can log in there, enroll the courses, manage my subscription, my learning. I can go to my dashboard, my courses, my channels, creator. I'm in the creator suite. These are all hot links. I can go straight to these places. Affiliate, I'm an affiliate. I can go to my back office, my dashboard. I've got my number. Look at right here, your affiliate link. That is your replicated site name right there. You can just click that and share it with people. It's right there for you. And down here, there's some other things that are in my account. But one thing I really wanted to go through today is over in my creator. And what I can do is I can go to creator and I can go to my courses. It's going to take me straight there. I don't even have to think about how do I go there. I can just go straight there. I want to show you some of the cool stuff that we're doing right now with translations. So y'all know that we can translate courses, right? But what we just did, if we go here to language translations, and I'm on my course, I'm managing my course. Now, once a course is published, and this course is published, they're locked. But you are allowed to add translations and add discounts and add utilize the maximum reach tab. So we'll look at these real quick because I'm going to run out of time. Okay, right here, you can now translate this course in one click of a button. So say I want to put this in, I'm going to do Filipino, right? And I can do it into 3 of them, just like all the other translations, and say, translate this course. This course has been queued and will continue in the background even if you close this page. So now what's happening is the system went out and said, it's going to go ahead and it's going to translate all 13 lessons, right, into Filipino. And it is not started yet because I just sent it. But as it goes, you will see the overall progress and you will see all of the lessons translate. And you did it with one choice of the language. You can choose up to 3 at a time and one click of a button. We used to have to go in and do every lesson individually. So this is a huge improvement. And then if you are a creator, guess what? with the Genius Club. If you're in the AI Genius Club, what is another benefit of the AI Genius Club? You get to download those translations, right? So now I can come to courses, my courses, I'm under my creator tab, I'm logged in, my courses, translation downloads, and I can now come in here and I can download these translations. Now, this is pretty cool, all right? And I can download that and it's going to bring it right into my downloads. I can save it right down to my computer. And this is an audio lesson is what this is. You can do this with audio, video, and PDF. All three types of medias that we can translate for you. So that's pretty exciting. One other thing I'm going to show you really quick, because I know I'm going into Alex Hitt's time, but he speaks really fast, so it'll probably be okay. Right, Alex? I'm going to go back into manage in this course that is published. We just added this. For those of you who want to do more with SEO, some of our creators know a lot about SEO. We've given you the ability now to go in and increase on your specific course the SEO. So I went in and I added a little bit, I changed the title and put Six Sigma in it. When I first came in here, I was about 30% searchability. I adjusted that. I adjusted my description a little bit, and I put some keyword searches on my course. And guess what? I got it up to 70%. And what did I do? I went out to our AI tools and I used our AI tools to help give me these suggestions to make this better. So we're trying to give our creators the power to really make their courses shareable, right? All over the world in translated languages, more reach through giving you more control on SEO, using all these beautiful AI tools that we have and all the improved ones that we're going to have on top of that. So with that, I better stop. And Tim, I will hand it back over to you.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Sandra. Great job as always. I get excited every time I see it's not. It gets to a point where if you want to do it, if you want to do anything, you can do it on the Great Discovery. Now, there's lots of different options, but the idea is choose what market you want to reach, choose what you want to get out there, and make it happen. You can absolutely target any place in the world or all places in the world or even local and do it more effectively and efficiently with more global assistance than you've ever done before.